Wow, wow, wow. Is this my hair? Is this hair on top of my head? Child, 2 weeks growth, you guys, with just Shebe. I was not even doing anything to my hair. You have to watch the whole video because I'll be sharing secrets. Deep secrets, chapel, yes, of what I'll be doing in 2022. So keep on watching. Aku! So you lovelies, someone asked me how do I do a hot oil treatment. So this is the oil that I will be using. It's a DIY oil, and I'm just going to put hot water in that bowl just to allow the oil to actually get warm enough for me to apply it on my hair. But do not apply like hot oil on your scalp because you will burn your scalp. You don't want that. Look at that growth, you guys. For about 2 weeks, I did not touch my hair. I did not do anything to my hair, and look at that growth. Oh, that growth is super amazing, you understand? So guys, that's what we are working with today, and I'll be doing a hot oil treatment on top of the shebe, right? And in the spray bottle there is black seed spray, all right, and I'll put that video in the description box below. What's in my background is from Humbly Classy, guys. Please check it out, check that company out. So they actually came and decorated my house. I'll put the links in the description box below if you want to order from them as well. They have beautiful pieces for home decor items, so please check in the description box for the link to their website or to their Facebook page. All right guys, so let's get started. Now this is the black seed spray that I talked about. I'll leave it in the description box below. Black seeds are well known for growing healthy hair, healthy thick long hair, you guys. So I will be applying it on the hair first. Now having shebe in the hair does not mean that your hair can't get dry. My hair now is very dry, you guys, but if I reapply a spray on my hair before I actually try to manipulate my hair, I'm not going to get any breakage at all, because shebe, if it gets in touch with water, it's just going to be like you have just applied the shebe on your hair. If you apply water, if you understand what I mean. So you have to spray water first before actually manipulating your hair when the shebe is in your hair, right? I hope it makes sense. So I'm just going to apply the oil on top of the hair. Now, I will be using oils in 2022 because I know that oils, if used properly, you are going to see like growth, you guys. I'm not even kidding. It really helps with strengthening the hair, making the hair look very healthy. I've done this before. I've actually done hot oil treatments before, and I've seen that my hair loves hot oil treatment. So I'll be doing them in 2022, and I'll be explaining more in detail in this video. So and also I was actually thinking of putting like mini braids on my hair, because child, I don't even have time for my hair right now. I have a lot on my plate and I don't have time to be touching my hair all the time. So I'm actually thinking of putting like mini braids. The reason why I was saying I want to start doing the hot oil treatments, because hot oil treatments are very good for strengthening the hair from the inside out. As I've done a video on avocado oil, I'll leave it in the description box below so that you know exactly what avocado oil does to the hair. It actually thickens the hair and it makes the hair very, very strong. So I was actually thinking of doing my hot oil treatment together with the shebe challenge. I'm still on it, you guys, because I see a lot of length retention. Every person's hair sheds from 50 to 100 strands a day. So shedding is not something that you should be scared of, because everyone sheds 50 to 100 strands a day. I mean, like breakage, I don't see like a lot of breakage when I'm using shebe. So it actually helps with length retention. I will be continuing with my shebe challenge, you guys, and also I will also be including hot oil treatment, because there's a time that I was really serious like with hot oil treatment, and I was doing it like every single week. If I can find photos, I'll put them on the side so that you can see my hair. Like my hair really grew out, you guys, when I was doing those hot oil treatments. I was doing it every single week without fail, and when I unraveled my hair, people were like, wow, 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 what are you doing to your hair? My hair thickened and I could see the growth when I was doing hot oil treatment. So I really think I should go back to using like oils on my hair, hot oil treatments to be precise. So I will be going back to hot oil treatments. I'll also be continuing with my Shebe challenge as well, because I see a lot of improvement. Just talking about the Shebe powder itself, I know it's very pricey. Most people complain that it's very expensive. But, the one that I bought, it was a little sachet. It was very small sachet. I still have it. So the secret to using the Shebe, you don't have to use a lot. Don't use a lot. You don't need a lot of the powder. Even 1 tablespoon is enough. So I don't think you need a lot of it. All right, I think a little bit will be fine, like 1 tablespoon or even 1 teaspoon, you guys, because it's very potent. The powder is very potent. If you use 1 teaspoon, it's still fine. I think the sachet that I bought, it was about $60 something, maybe $65. It's not that expensive. If you really want your hair to grow, I think you'll consider buying it. I'll leave the link in the description box below where I got it. You guys, look at my hair. Hey, look at that, you guys. I cannot even believe it. It's growing out like crazy. The reason why I want to start doing hot oil treatments, because they are really good for thickening up the hair, for strengthening the hair, for making your hair just look healthy. After doing like 1 treatment, you can see with your hair, like you can see that something is changing. I can see some change with my hair when you use oils. So yeah, that is the reason why I want to go back to oils, you guys. But I know it's a very messy. That's the other thing about hot oil treatments. It's very messy. Like when you go to sleep, you should really be careful. Like if you're doing an overnight treatment, you really need to protect yourself, protect your your cushions, you just protect your clothes and everything, because oil is just going to go every single where. That's the only thing with hot oil treatment. It's so worth it. The oils that I would recommend you to use when you're doing hot oil treatments, of course, avocado oil. If you haven't seen the video that I did on avocado oil, please, you guys, please, go and check it out in the description box, because hey, that video is packed with information about avocado oil. You really need to know like the nutrients that it has, because you just don't want to use something and you don't know what it actually does to your hair. You want to use something when you know that this thing does this and this. So yeah, I did that video for you guys. Please go and check it out in the description box. Go and check it out, and also leave a comment after watching the video, because it helps my channel a lot. As you can see, guys, the oils are just traveling everywhere, you understand? So that's the other thing about hot oil treatments, but they are so worth it, you guys.